guys, here is our project. We will make this. So guys, this I am using origami papers. Let's open it. And I will take these two papers. Y'all can take your favorite colors also, but I like the combination of orange and blue. So let's get started. And guys, I have also made this butterfly knife of ice cream sticks. See some tricks. So this is my butterfly knife. So let's get started with our origami. First I will take this orange paper and fold in half. Like this. And then the opposite side also. Just like this. And guys, sorry for coming late. In this lockdown period I don't have papers, so please. Okay, now we have to cut this. We have this creases. We have to cut this creases. So I will teach you after cutting. So guys, I have cutted all the pieces. See. Now we have taken the orange piece and started. First we will fold in half like this. Then same on the opposite side like this. Then we will fold in triangle. Guys, I really tell you, my one new channel is also there, Eternal Zone. Please go and check out my new channel. Let's get continue. We have fold like this. Now in the opposite direction. Like this. Now we will take this corner crease and make in the middle. Like this. And then we will fold in half like this and push it inside this piece, and our piece is ready like this. Guys, I will come again with all the pieces made. So bye bye. Guys, here is our pieces. Let's continue our journey. So first we will take one blue piece and one orange piece. Then we will see which is open side. This is open side. Then we will keep it like this. See, like this. Then we have these two corners. See, and we will push it inside like this. See. Like this. Then we will take another blue piece and keep it like this. See. And this also inside. See. Another orange piece like this. Yes, yes, like this. Then we will take another piece and keep it like this and like this. Yes, like this. And another, yes, like this. Haha. Yes, yes, like this. Yes. Yes, like this. Like this. And the last orange piece. Like this. And this is not over. We have to little give a push and do like this. See, and here also inside this pocket, right, like this, and like this, and we have ready our transformers. Like this. So guys, please like and share, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you talk to me in Hindi, please comment down and hit the bell icon. Bye bye.